Hi guys, so today I recorded this makeup look. If you want to see how I got it, go ahead and keep watching. I started off by doing my eyebrows off camera, so now I'm just going to conceal them with my Milani foundation. Once I'm done with my eyebrows, I'm going to prime and do my foundation. Someone asked in my last video what primer I used, and I used the No Pore Blend Primer by Touch in Soul. Just looks like this. And then just my Milani foundation. You know what? Never mind. I'm going to use my NARS All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation instead. And I'm just going to use this NYX sponge. Now that my foundation is all blended, I'm going to conceal with my Milani concealer, which has become my favorite concealer now. I think my favorite part about face makeup is blending out concealer because it's so satisfying. Mostly when they're super easy to blend. Like, oh my god. First, I'm just setting my whole face. And then I'm gonna start baking. Now that my face is set, I'm actually gonna bake right under my eyes. And I'm gonna bring that bake all the way to my nose because I am wearing my glasses. And my glasses do tend to mark where they sit, so I'm just gonna bake my nose a little extra. Before I continue with my face, I'm actually gonna do some eyeshadow with the Daisy Marquez palette. I think this is my most used palette ever. And that's crazy. I don't do eyeshadow very often, but when I do, I usually pull towards this one because it has everything I've ever wanted in one palette. First, I'm going to take a Dulce and put that all over my crease. Now, I'm going to add Vintage and pretty much add it on my crease as well. Now I'm just going to add some passion fruit on my crease as well, but I'm going to keep that really low. For my lid, I'm just going to take this shade called Stunt, and I'm going to put that all the way from my inner corner to my lid. Once I'm done with my eyeshadow, I'm just going to use a big fluffy brush and brush away all this powder. For bronzer, I'm just going to go with my basic butter bronzer. with a little brush, I'm just gonna bronze my nose. For blush, I'm going to use my Note Beauty blush first. And I'm just going to put some of that on my cheeks. Ooh. Whoops. Now I think I added too much blush. And as if that wasn't enough blush, I'm gonna add some Milani blush, which this one adds more sparkle than color. So that's kind of why I still add it on. I don't think I've ever worn this much blush. Whoops. For highlight, I'm just gonna use this Glow Kit. And I'm gonna use those two shades. Now I'm gonna set my eyebrows with this NYX eyebrow gel, just to keep those eyebrows in place. Now I'm going to take a little brush and use both Vintage and Passion Fruit and use those on my lower lash line. Now I'm going to take this spoolie and brush out my eyelashes and try to get all the powder off of them. Now I'm going to add some mascara to my lower lashes. For the lips, I just used this random lip liner that I found, but the only thing you could see is the color and it says Mocha. So, a lip liner in Mocha. And then the Fenty lip gloss right on top. That's the lip for today. That's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give it a like. And if you want to keep watching videos from me, go ahead and subscribe and comment down below what else you guys want to see. I am going to be announcing the giveaway winners at the very end of this video. I'm just going to do that through my phone and screenshot it or screen record it and add it on here. So yeah, thanks for watching.